Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, y'all. Good morning. Merry Christmas. Let's go wake up your brother. Good morning, honey. Let me see. Marcus. Marcus. Where are you? Merry Christmas. You are tucked in under that blanket. Oh my. Merry Christmas, Marcus. Christmas morning. Oh, they are bien belle. Marcus, where are you going? Okay. Mama l'ouvert fenêtre yo. Mama leve pigan. Même c'est en bas lié. Par exemple, net. Merry Christmas! Good morning.
Merry Christmas today. Hey. Merry Christmas, Mommy.
Merry Christmas, sweetheart.
There's a bigger present now.
Oh, I wonder what happened.
He didn't eat our cookies.
You drink the milk.
He ate one cookie.
Mm-hmm. Let's go see Daddy.
Okay.
Ah, moi toujours aimé lumière ça yo. Mm-mm-mm. Moi tire nous te mette alarme dans kay la. Moi tire.
System disarmed. Ready to arm.
OK. Et bam ouvert fenêtre là. Et la fenêtre là non. Blind yo. OK. Donc j'ai un pied bois yo bien belle dehors ba ouais. Pied bois yo bien belle. Oh. On connaît dehors fouette, mais moi j'aime ça en pile, en pile, en pile, en pile. Comme si c'est une photo. Oh, ça vraiment belle. OK.
Okay. Can I open mine?
Yeah.
Don't say yes is open yet. Can I open mine, Mom?
Yeah, you can.
Read book. Thanks, Mom.
Let me see them. Oh. Belle bagay, belle bagay, belle bagay. Nice. Nice, nice, nice.
I'm wearing this to shoes. I want to show my friends.
Is that you, Marcus?
Whoa, that's good.
You gonna turn the fireplace on, Marcus? Marcus, Jamal. Marcus can open his own. Or Dante can help him. What you got, Marcus?
Tights, Marcus? Is that tight?
Oh,
Yeah.
got some pants. Nice.
Got a lot of stuff.
Okay, Dante, open one.
It's yours. That's everything. I think it's not. Yep.
I can already tell it's a shoe.
Oh,
Okay.
oh.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
The only person that said thank you.
I said thank you.
Oh, yeah?
And another one. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you.
What'd you say, Marcus?
Thank you.
What'd you say, Jamal?
Thank you, Mom.
Dennis, I'm dummy, limit. Oh, boy. One bien. Let's say que je one bien for. I'm gonna dummy.
Let's open up the toy.
No, this is last. Ça c'est dernier, Marcus.
Huh?
You can take them off the bag, Dante.
This is me again.
Let me see it, Marcus. Make it light up for me. Ooh, that's pretty cool.
What is?
Thank you, Mom.
Let me.
You're
Get it.
That's like something.
Qu'est-ce qu'il va le popper comme ça?
That's a way over there.
Okay, take it out.
If you find what this should be, are you? Let's open it up. Jamal. You've been a good kid. Love.
She can read it, man. It's his present.
Yeah. Let me see. Let me see it. Make un
You
petit
bet.
message na bagay la pou yo.
Good kid. Love Santa.
You've been a good kid. Love Santa. Jamal. Oh.
Okay, maybe
Marcus give me bagay la na pala.
I've been a good kid.
Yeah, you guys can open it together. How about that?
Yeah.
Three.
Okay.
I bet this is because I made my bed. I've been all doing this. Stuff.
Yeah, you made your bed. It's because you made your bed every day, Jamal.
3, 2, 1, open.
Whoa. Bon fonce kap fet la. Okay, Jamal gen son kou a. What is it?
Champions
What?
shirt or sweater.
What? There's another one in there that should
What?
be. Nice.
Another one?
Oh, sweet, man. They got the same thing.
Champion. I get the
Nah.
champion.
Mikey, look at it.
Nice. Jamal got champion pants.
I get champion pants.
Nice.
Why? I get champion pants also.
Okay. One last one for the boys.
Hold on, let me open that one. Let me open that one. Alright. Okay, guess. What
Watch
do you
out,
guess?
watch out. Yeah, I'll get mine. Na payo atale.
What do you think it is, Jamal?
Tayo, mwen te. Nan sayo panse liye ay pa sa liye. Mwen gen yon lot bagay pou yo.
I want to open it.
Konya mwen retirel,
Who's
mwen
opening?
mette yon lot film
You?
an dem. Wèl wè reaksyon yo. E wèl sezi.
Football, dude. You check. Yeah!
Wait.
Wait.
Let me see what you guys got. tout le monde silence.
This is not art.
Let me
But
see.
then again, I'm not dumb.
Oh, you're not dumb.
Oh, it is.
Let me see. It's a nice movie. They didn't have the Madden, so I couldn't find it. So, this mette pour yo. Hein? Yo get les parents men. Ose moi au silence. Okay, very nice. Very nice.
This one is mine.
You guys like the last one?
This one?
Good movie.
Mom.
Okay, this is mine now. Marcus pour mon cadeau la poubelle pour compter. Oh, that's so good. Thank you, Marcus.
That was the tree.
Yeah. Oh,
I had Mom. Mommy.
ring the bell loud and spread the Christmas cheer. Thank you. Oh. Whenever I'm putting my over bala. Thank you. Five little fingertip on my toe, maybe. Oh. Thank you. Mwah. Merry Christmas, sweetheart. Cute.
You have more in there, Marcus?
Cute, cute.
No. Well, that one's for Dad.
Okay.
Marcus, you have no legs now. I know.
Jamal, let me tell you a secret.
You were a very bad whisperer. Go in my room in the drawer. You're a bad whisperer.
Okay. Let's see what Jamal comes up with.
20 boys. It's cold.
Let's see.
It's cold.
So who's gonna clean up all this mess? Okay, good. But where's Suliola Marcus? Make your shoes light up. Let me see. Do it one more time. Oh, nice. Nice. C'est moi-même qui viens de acheter cadeau pour tout le monde. L'année ça, je vais acheter 2-3 cadeaux parce que nous allons un gros voyage. Nous allons côté. It's on the top of my drawer in my room. Well, on top of my drawer on my side. Okay, go grab it, Dante. Marcus, I didn't send you. Nous allons faire un gros voyage. Nous allons partir, nous allons bien loin là. Je dis nous côté nous allons aller. Non, l'autre vidéo.
F left.
Oh yeah?
But those cops just introduced said they can't take it.
No.
Leave it.
Yes. Okay, Marcus, you better come get ready.
He might say no.
Marcus, come get ready. Okay, what's in there?
I think
Let's see what's in there. Let's see.
Oh.
I thought it was Swiss.
Let's go. Cadê a reação pro essa? Ah, mãe. Pour ça, oui, mes amis. Eh bien, merci un peu de passer nous garder nous. Joyeux Noël, bonne fête. Now we're on l'autre vidéo. Bye bye. Love you guys. Probably checking us to Instagram, to Facebook, to Twitter.
Can we plan it now?
Probably.
Hey.
Regardez l'autre vidéo, nous allons apprécier nous en pile. Merci. Hey guys, you wanna tell the YouTube people you love them?
Thank you.
Thank you for all you guys' support. It's very much appreciated.
Thank you. And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Okay.
Bye. Hang up.